our lesson. Look at the picture. Who was Alexander Pushkin? Where was he from? Read the biography to find out. Alexander Pushkin was born on the 6th of June 1799 and died on the 10th of February in 1837. Alexander Pushkin was a Russian poet, novelist, and a playwright. His most famous works are the novel Evgeny Onegin and the play Boris Godunov. Pushkin wrote the Fishman and the Fish in 1833. It is a fairy tale. Open your books on page 76. Look at the pictures. Which one shows? So students, let's work with cards.
Let. Allow. Wish. Want, request. Surprise. Something that is beyond what is expected. Fool. Idiot. To say something very ugly. Shout. To say something very ugly. Calm. Cry out. Swim away. To move along in water. Grant a wish. To give someone what they want. Rich. Wealthy. Dark. Having very little light, not light in color. Land. All natural resources used to produce goods and services. Ash, relating to very bad weather with a lot of rain and strong winds. Stormy. Ash, relating to very bad weather with a lot of rain and strong winds. Cloud. A collection of small water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air, which forms when the air is cooled and condensation occurs. The space over the earth where the sun, moon, stars, and clouds appear. Sky. The space over the earth where the sun, moon, stars, and clouds appear. Turn. To turn. Badly off.
Catch.
Allow. Want, request. Something that is beyond what is expected. Idiot. To say something very ugly.
The pictures tell us a story. Listen to read the story and put them in the correct order.
and the fish. Copyright Express Publishing. All rights reserved.
This is a story from long ago. It is about a kind old fisherman. He lives with his wife in a very small house. The fisherman works hard, but he is very poor.
One day, the fisherman catches a small golden fish.
Oh, please let me go.
Says the fish.
And you can have anything you wish.
Dear little fish,
Says the kind old man.
I do not want anything.
And he lets the fish go.
The fisherman goes home. He tells his wife about the fish.
You are a fool! She shouts. We need a new bucket. This one is old and dirty. Go back and ask the fish for a bucket.
So the fisherman goes back to the sea. The sun is shining. He calls the golden fish. It swims up to the fisherman.
What do you want, good man?
It asks.
My wife wants a new bucket.
Says the old man.
Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now.
Says the fish and swims away.
The fisherman goes home and sees a shiny new bucket. He is very happy. The fisherman's wife is very angry.
You are a fool! She shouts. We need a new house too. Go back and ask the fish for a house.
The fisherman goes back to the sea. The sun is shining, but there are clouds in the sky. He calls the golden fish again. I'm so sorry, dear fish.
Says the fisherman.
My wife wants a new house, too.
Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now.
Says the fish and swims away.
The fisherman goes home and sees a beautiful new cottage. He is very happy. The fisherman's wife is still very angry.
You are a fool! She shouts and stamps her feet. We are poor. I want to be rich. Go back and tell the fish.
The poor fisherman goes back to the sea. The sky is grey, and the old man is sad. He calls the fish, and it swims up to him.
Please don't be angry, dear fish,
Says the fisherman.
my wife wants to be rich.
Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now.
Says the fish and swims away.
The fisherman goes home. Now his house is very big and beautiful. His wife is wearing new clothes and a lot of jewelry.
I hope you are happy now.
Says the fisherman. But she does not answer. She sends him to live in the stable.
The next week, the fisherman's wife asks to see him.
I want to be queen of the land! She screams.
Queen of the land?
Says the fisherman.
Are you mad, old woman?
She slaps him and tells him to go.
The fisherman goes to the sea. Now the sky is black and the waves are very high. He calls the fish and it swims up to him.
Dear fish,
Says the poor old man.
I don't know what to do. My wife wants to be queen of the land.
Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now.
Says the fish and swims away.
The fisherman goes home. He sees a beautiful palace. His wife is sitting on a golden throne. There are 2 guards standing in front of the throne.
Who are you?
They asked.
What do you want, old man?
The old man is frightened. He asks to see the queen. She is sitting on her throne.
Kneel down, old man.
The guard says.
Greetings, your majesty.
The old man says.
I hope you are happy.
His wife does not answer. She sends him away. A week later, the queen asks to see the fisherman.
Kneel down, old man.
The guard says.
The queen is eating from a gold plate, and she is drinking from a gold cup. Her dress and her shoes are gold. There are servants everywhere, but the fisherman's wife does not look happy.
The golden fish to be my servant. Go away, old man, and tell the fish.
The old man is very sad. He goes back to the sea again. Suddenly, there is a big flash of lightning. The fish swims up to the old man. The fisherman is very wet, and he looks very sad.
Please don't be angry, dear fish. Now my wife wants to be queen of the land and sea,
says the fisherman.
and she wants you to be her servant.
The golden fish does not answer. It turns and swims far away. The old man calls and calls. He waits all day, but the fish does not come back again.
The old man feels very sad, and he goes back home. He can't see the palace. He can't see the guards. He can't see the servants. All he can see is his small house. His wife is poor again, and she is wearing old clothes. In front of her is the dirty old bucket.
Read the story again and complete the sentences. Fill in the gaps with the words below. Okay, what do you think the message of the story is?
I think the story is trying to tell us that we shouldn't be greedy. We should be happy with what we have, and we should always remember that it is very easy to lose everything and become poor again.
Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe people, places, and scenes. They make a story more interesting. Read examples. An old man, shiny bucket, a beautiful house. Let's do exercise 6 on page 77. Use the adjectives to complete the summary of the fisherman and the fish. Rich, golden, small, huge, new, kind. Your home task, exercise 8. What is the message of the story? Explain your choice. Be happy with what you have got. Be careful what you wish for. Thank you.